Welcome to the Time Attendance Machine Setup Guide. This tutorial will walk you through configuring your time attendance device for effective workforce management. Power on the time attendance device and access the admin menu. Navigate to Settings and select Company Profile. Enter the company name, address, and contact information. Save the settings. Go to Organization Settings and select Departments. Click on Add Department or a similar option. Assign a name to each department and add a unique identifier if required. For example, department name Human Resources, ID HR01. Repeat for all departments such as Sales, IT, and Finance. Save the changes. Navigate to Employee Management or User Management. Select Add Employee. Input employee details, full name, employee ID, department, job title, contact information. Enroll biometric data, fingerprint, face, or card. Follow the on-screen instructions for enrollment. Assign login credentials if needed. Ensure accurate employee data and enroll biometrics for seamless attendance. Navigate to Shift Management, Work Shifts. Define each shift with shift name, morning shift, start time 8 a.m., end time 5 p.m. Add break times if applicable. Repeat for other shifts such as night or weekend shifts. Save the configuration. Go to Shift Management, then Assign Shifts. Select the employee or department. Choose the shifts to assign. Set the start and end date for the shift assignment. Confirm and save. Navigate to Schedule Management. Click on Create Schedule. Select the shift and assign employees or departments. Customize as per requirements. Recurrence, daily, weekly, or monthly. Holidays, add official holidays or leave days. Review the schedule and save. Review all configurations under the System Overview section. Test the system by having employees clock in and out. Generate a trial attendance report to ensure accuracy. Thank you for setting up your time attendance machine. For further assistance, refer to the user manual or contact customer support.